Hi everyone, this is Laudia and Sylvis, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here, thank you for stopping by, listening to my video. I'm going to talk about the values of your self-esteem. And if you actually have low self-esteem, let me give you some advice, okay? To find out if you have low self-esteem, you actually don't consider yourself to have much worth, and that you do doubt your abilities. You feel that you do not have many qualities, and those qualities are not important, or they're unimportant to you. You find that you're not satisfied with yourself, and you rarely give yourself credit for anything you do. You don't take criticism very easy, okay? You always criticize yourself, and you feel like you're not amount to do anything to better yourself because of the way you feel. You doubt yourself and you don't believe in yourself. So let me give you some solutions to what you can do to work on your value about seeing yourself and building your self-esteem. Let me give you some tips here. Try to feel better about yourself and work on it. You don't have to worry so much about whether you are doing the right or whether you're doing good enough, because either right and wrong, and if you're wrong, you make mistakes, you get up and you just overlook them, okay? You fall, but you're going to rise up again. You're going to become much more stronger. Engage in relationships constructively without putting yourself down. Feel comfortable enough in yourself and confident enough to communicate effectively. Make yourself feel likely able to assert yourself effectively without worrying about how you feel and excessively about what others think about you. Find it easier to focus on the present and concentrate on the task at hand because you are less anxious. Did you know the more you are anxious, the more you feel doubt about yourself and disbelief? So we have to actually work on not being so anxious, not being so worried about what we're facing every day. Use your energy constructively instead of being preoccupied on how you feel and how well you're doing or how you appear to others. Because a lot of times if you compare yourself to other people and you compete yourself to other people, and you will actually put yourself in a situation where you will feel not as confident because you're comparing to someone that you feel that is better than you. And these are the emotions, these are the thoughts and the feelings that you need to avoid, to actually refocus and ignore, okay? In order to build your self-esteem, in order to build your confidence and see value in yourself, you cannot compare yourself. You cannot be worried so much. And if you make mistakes, who cares, okay? Don't even take it personal. Don't let your emotions get it carried away from you. Avoid those thoughts, because those are negative thoughts. You need to feed yourself positive things, affirmations about good things about yourself, and that's the start where you can actually see value in yourself when you start talking valuable things about you and the good things. Okay, so where do you start and where do you improve your self-esteem? Whether you have low self-esteem in an early age, that could have started when you were young and when you were as a toddler, and you had parents that put you down all the time, that can actually affect your value in yourself from birth. So if you're all grown up, and you don't forget that as you were born and when you were a child, and if you felt like you were an outcast, You can always pick up the pieces where you are right now and start reprogramming your mindset, reprogramming and revaluing yourself, that you are no longer a victim. You are no longer in that situation where you feel like you are completely a wreck. Okay, you can see yourself out of this being stronger and being productive by just focusing and twisting your thoughts to positive energy instead of and feeling confident and knowing that you're going to go through some clouds in your life, some darkness in your life, but at the outcome, if you run with it and work with your mindset and changing your thought pattern from being a loser and becoming a winner, you will overcome and you will endure and you will feel great about yourself and you're going to see yourself special. Right now, if you have low self-esteem, you do not see yourself special, but I am going to tell you that you can see yourself special once you make the decision to work on yourself and to work on the things that are painful in your life that you went through. Seek counselors, seek therapy. Seek them, okay? Seek counseling, seek therapy. It will be good for you. And with the help of other people helping you to overcome and being a stronger person, you will overcome all situations in life. So see yourself as a valuable person. You are valuable, and you are the 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 important person in your life is you, to make a difference in this world. All right, everyone, thank you for stopping by at my YouTube channel. I'm Laudia and Sylvis. I'm giving you some tips and ideas for today, and today's is to value yourself and don't let yourself down. All right, take care. Make sure you watch my suggested videos and hear my podcast videos, because you never know when I'm going to upload a video. I actually been really busy, so count it all joy today, everyone, and be blessed, stay safe, and protect yourself from the virus out there, because it is a nasty virus, but protection can help, and be who you are, and be safe and be good to yourself. All right, thank you. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye for now.